Scott Kintz with Pathway Solutions, and now our podcast. Hi, this is Scott Kintz with Pathway Solutions, and working with Home Realty's website, I'm going to show you how to add content to your site that might not be traditional, such as a PDF. Sometimes we can take Word documents and copy and paste the content out of them into your website, and sometimes if we have a PDF form or something that's a little bit more difficult, or even an image, then we're going to want to take that and put it as a document and link to it. So I'm going to show you how to do that on your website. So once you're logged into your website, we're going to go into Edit Web Pages, and from there we're going to manage our pages. But first let's go to the website, and I'm on scottkintz.com right now, and I was going to see what page I wanted to put this on as an example. So we might just put it under here, under favorites, child link C. Now we have a gold member count, so we're going to change some of that content in there for this example. So I'm going to go into my manage pages, and I can see I have 1 of 9 pages. If I had more pages, I might have to say show all records. And if I'm looking for this page, now we have gold member content. I can come in here and I can say show filter, and in my text, here we go. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to edit this page, and I check the checkbox and I click on the edit. This brings up my content here. What the content that I'm going to be putting into this is going to be a PDF file. Let me see if I can find that PDF file right over here. And this is instructions for a petition for Snohomish County Board of Equalization. So this form needs to be put in its exact format, and the client needs to download this and be able to fill this in. But we need to give them enough information on our website so that they know this is the information that they want to have. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to copy this. And if you're on your PC, then you can just right click and go Control Copy. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to have to go Control V for paste. And this is the problem with PDFs, is it looked like a nice line break in the PDF, but when you paste your content in there, it really breaks up the content into line breaks, because a PDF puts in line breaks for you. So now what we're going to do is we're going to link to this, and then we're going to say, we can put in more text about what this is, and we can make the whole thing a link, or we can just link to this download this document part here. So what we're going to do then is we're going to add this document into our folder selection here, and I'm going to put it under Uploads and Files. We could create a new folder here and call it Snohomish County, but I'm just going to put it right in here. I'm going to find that on my desktop or on my computer, wherever it's located, and I already have it highlighted there. So now I'm going to put that in there and I'm going to say Upload. Now I have that document uploaded in there, and I'm going to say Insert. So now my link here, and because that's a document that's going to be going on, I'm going to say New Window there, so it's linking to that document. Now I might want to put something else in there. So out of this document, when I look at this document here at the bottom, it has kind of an instruction on asset value and subsequent taxes. And so what I'm going to do is I took a little screenshot of that and I put it on my desktop. So there's several different programs you can take a screenshot with. You can save it as a JPEG. So I'm going to take that JPEG, and that's another tutorial on how to make the JPEGs. But I'm going to take that JPEG and I'm going to load it up here. I'm going to click on my images, and it goes to my Scott folder, and I might just say evaluation, make a new folder in there so I can stick it in my new folder. And again, I'm going to browse. I'm going to look at my desktop, picture 1, I'm going to open it, and I'm going to upload it. So now I have my picture in there, and now I'm going to insert it into my page as well. So now this is inserted into my page. Here, you can add some text to it as well. I can go to my advanced. I can make sure that I have a little bit of space between those things, and I can give it an alt text as well. And I'm going to say update. So now when I go into my page here, and I think I put it on child C, now I have this information in here. You can see that my image that I put on here is a little bit larger, so probably what I want to do is remove my right menu out of here, and when I click on this, it's going to bring up the document that I linked to it, so people can download the document that I have there. And then it's up to you as to the text that you want to put in here associating with that document. You want to be as specific as possible, and also with your link on here be as specific as possible so that they know to click on that link and download the document that you're talking about. So that's been a quick overview of how to add unconventional documents and content to your Home Realty Agent website. Hope it's been informative to you and you've been able to pick out some information from here that will help you. Thank you very much. This concludes the Pathway Solutions podcast. Thank you for listening.